welcome to MVP Auto Review, and today we're bringing you something truly special, a rebirth of one of the most iconic trucks in American history, the 2026 Chevrolet C10 pickup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic car reviews and future supercar news. The Chevrolet C10 is a name that carries legendary weight. From the 1960s through the early 1980s, it became the go-to truck for farmers, workers, and enthusiasts who wanted style and capability in one package. It was a workhorse by day and a cruiser by night, beloved for its clean lines, durability, and customizability. Now in 2026, Chevrolet has decided to revive the C10, but not just as a throwback. It's a modern classic, designed to honor its heritage while delivering cutting-edge performance, comfort, and technology. At first glance, the 2026 C10 is unmistakably inspired by its ancestors. The body design combines retro cues with modern proportions. You'll notice the squared-off front end with a massive grille, slim LED headlights styled to look like the classic sealed beam units, and the strong shoulder lines that harken back to the late 60s models. Around back, the tailgate proudly wears bold Chevrolet lettering, and the bed itself is a perfect mix of nostalgia and practicality, featuring a wood-style composite insert option for purists, or a high-strength steel bed with built-in storage compartments for modern truck owners. This is a truck that looks vintage but feels futuristic. Powering the 2026 Chevrolet C10 are two distinct options, appealing to both old-school and new-school buyers. First, a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 engine with around 460 horsepower offers that traditional rumble and raw muscle. For those wanting a greener yet equally thrilling option, Chevy offers an all-electric C10 variant. This version uses GM's Ultium battery platform and delivers up to 500 horsepower with instant torque, capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds. Range estimates push close to 350 miles on a single charge, making it not just a performance truck, but a practical daily driver as well. Both versions come with rear-wheel drive standard, but optional all-wheel drive is available for extra capability. Transmission choices reflect the blend of classic and modern. The V8 model can be had with a 6-speed manual gearbox for purists or a 10-speed automatic for convenience. The electric model, of course, features a seamless single-speed drive unit with multiple drive modes to adjust performance, from sport to tow/haul to eco. Inside, the C10 has been completely reimagined for modern comfort while staying true to its retro roots. The dashboard features a horizontal layout with analog-inspired digital gauges, a nod to the original cluster. The steering wheel is a modernized take on the thin 3-spoke design, and buyers can even opt for houndstooth seat inserts and higher trims, giving the cabin that retro flair. At the same time, the truck is loaded with today's